Okay, welcome guys. Just going to give a little bit of a recap of what's happened over the last few days. Couple interesting data points. Nothing major. No real major moves as of yet. But yeah, sort of had a mixed couple of days. So the big ones. Wednesday night out of the US, we had some retail sales data. So it came out a bit stronger than expected, and especially this one. So this is the adjusted retail sales, not including auto and gas, so gas station sales, which is a more it's not much of a noisy number. It tends to be more of an aggregated approach, and it's quite a closely monitored number. So it was still quite strong. So you can see the survey there was 0.2%, and it came out 0.6%. So it was a vote of confidence in favour for the US economy. And we did see that night stocks did rally a little bit. We still have debt ceiling issues lingering. We can see here the S&P's had a sort of an up and down couple days. It's hard to sort of get a real grasp on how it's been traveling. You can see here it was up yesterday, and then look, it's now traveling pretty flat today. So not a lot really to have a look. So the US dollar has actually been traveling quite strongly. It's actually gained up a bit of ground. It's rose for the fourth day out of 5. So look at euro, and it's had a little bit of a tough trot over the last few sessions. It's on the slide again now as we speak, but it's had an unhappy start to the week. And that's off the back of that dollar strength. The US economy is holding on. There's debt ceiling woes and jitters there, and that's partly to blame for that type of thing. So then today, an interesting one out of the Australian economy, we had unemployment. So survey was 25,000, came in at 4.3 thousand. So a bit of a miss to the downside there. And it wasn't pretty for the Aussie dollar. I could see the fell 4.2 thousand, and month on month. And we look at the dollar, sold off quite heavily. So intraday price chart. So that was the time of the news there. It dropped, regained a little bit of ground, but it's continued its downward trend now into the European and North American sessions. Just around the grounds, we can see US dollar strengthening as a base currency there. The terms currencies on the slide. Overall, metals seem to be doing okay. Energy slumping a little bit this session, and agriculture is down as well. European stocks seem to be tracking quite well. They've had a decent couple of days as sort of optimism starts to pick up over there. They've had quite a wretched run, but seem to be outperforming the broader market. The Asia Pacific was mixed today. I saw the ASX gain little to nothing, and some of the other major indices did manage a few points gain. The Nikkei did pretty well, and then as for bonds, you can see that the prices over there. So the European bonds seem to be selling off, so they're down. And United States, we've seen bonds drop off a little bit there too. So probably just a little bit of a correction from the spikes we've seen before on the back of some of those debt ceiling worries, but hoping to get a resolution to that sooner rather than later. Biden and McCarthy are in talks, and it's the pressure's on to get a resolution. Because it's just going to create unneeded issues in the economy. Okay, thanks for tuning in, guys, and we'll be touch base again at a later date. Thank you.